Hey everyone, Alan here, down at the creek, getting ready to put in. First daylight right now. We got about 15 minutes until sunrise, but we're gonna go ahead and work our way down and start getting some fishing in. Let's go. Throwing the jackhammer again. Did switch up the trailer. Just kind of feeling that purple bug there, so I'm gonna try that out instead of a swim bait. I brought swim bait, so if for some reason I'm losing my confidence in this and not catching them, then I can always switch to what I've caught them on before. See the sunrise coming up over there. Got one. Got one. Yeah, he came up and hit late. He came up and hit late. Wow. He hit it so late. We got him. All right. Way to start the morning. Way to start the morning. All right, buddy. Let's get you here. Alright. Check him out. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Alright, I'm happy to start my morning out like that. He's a good looking fish. He's right around that 2-pound mark. Maybe just a hair over. Oh, we got one. We got one. Oh, yeah. All right. All right. Ooh, let's get him in the net before he comes off. All right. Shoo. All right, that makes me happy. All right, buddy. All right, nice. All right, they like to start to hit at this time, it seems. It's about 9:30. Been catching a lot of fish around this time. Not too much early in the morning. Good looking fish though. I'll take him. That's it. I was able to get 2 this morning in 2 hours. One right after sunrise. The other one about 5 minutes before I had to leave. So can't complain about that. They were 2, half decent sized fish. So definitely no complaints here. Happy with my morning. Gonna get on to work and hopefully get back to you here soon. Have a good one.